Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about styling React using CSS. So let's see what is it. So there are many ways to style React Native with CSS. So there are three main styles that are available are inline styling, CSS styling and the CSS module styling. Okay, so first one we are having is inline styling. So in that case, we have already studied in the HTML how to do the inline styling. The same process we need to work here also. So on screen, you can see that I have mentioned one paragraph and inside that I am adding the styling tab. Okay, so styling attribute I have mentioned, for example, I am adding the color, for example, red. Okay, I have added the color. Now if I am running this codes, so do I need am I going to get the red color as a text or not? That is what we need to check, right? So with that we need to make some changes. So here on screen, this is the process you need to write. Once you mention it, so we need to check if this code is working in that way or not. So let me just reload it. It is not coming in that form. Okay, so why is it not? So let me just check again what is the issue with that. Why is it not coming in that way? So we have, it is not like HTML we just mentioned. We have to do some work on it, then only it will work. So we have to check it here inside the app.css. I have to create. I have to mention that I'm going to work with the CSS. I am going to design it, or I'm going to do the styling with the help of CSS. So those details should be mentioned here. So once you are going to mention it over there, then only you write it. Then now on screen you can see that it is coming in the red color. So that is what, because it was coming according to that app.css. Now I have mentioned I will do the styling. So whatever the details now I will mention will come in that case. All the colors, name, background color is same as the HTML. Okay, so the same thing you will mention and everything. And once I'll run this code again, and then again we will reload it. So on screen you can see that the text background is coming in the yellow color. So that is what I was telling. That is how we need to do the styling here. So this is the normal styling I have mentioned here, the inline styling. There are other two ways of styling too. The first example we have completed. So there are few more examples. The JavaScript object, we can create the object. With the help of that we can do the styling. So you can create the object with the styling information and refer it in a style attribute. So you have to add the const my style, what all the details you need to style, you just mention here. Okay, so in that case, let me just copy paste and I will mention after the render. Here I will mention all the details. Okay, so my style is mentioned here. If I have to give the same name here, so for wherever I want to print, so how will I give that? I have to first see where I need to do. For example, here I am going to do. Okay, so I will give the style equal to, inside the bracket, what is the name? My style. Okay, that is what I mentioned here. Fine. Once you'll run this program, save it and run it, then we will see if it is going to work or not. Okay, that is what we need to check, na, that this code is working. Now on screen you can see that this is not working. This is coming actually, the same color I have mentioned over there. Let me just check it. For example, if I change it, yeah, so I need to change it first and then only it will work it. Okay. Codes here I will just add some background color. I will change it to the another. For example, I was having the yellow background color. Okay, yellow green kind of color I am having. Now on screen, if I'll reload it, so it will take little time. Okay, let me check again. Person apps app.css. I will make few changes here. Here the color is number, name is mentioned, so I will, maybe I need to check here. Details will be changed. Okay, here I have changed the background color name. I will change the background color name here. So maybe it is going to work. Saving again the app.js. And if I'm going to run, yeah, now it is coming in that way. So on screen, you can see that that is working their own way. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to React. Thank you so much.